Hello guys! You need to level job site like the sports field, hall or parking. The best attachment to use is the Bobcat Grader. We can offer you 3 models, which is 2.1 meter standard, or 2 heavy-duty models, which are 2.4 meter or 2.7 meter wide, with extra side shift function. You can operate them manually from the cabin, or you can use the automatic mode, which is guided by sonic tracer, by 3D with GPS or total station, or 2D with the laser system. I have here 2.4 meter heavy-duty grader with the Bobcat T76 track loader and 2D laser system. Let's jump in the cab and I'll show you how to operate it. We have the 7-inch touchscreen here. To get to grader menu, you press the attachment and you press the grader. You can see the level on the right side and the left side. You can change the offset level up or down. You can see it's in manual mode. If you press on trigger button, you change it to auto and you see the blade is leveled in few moments. And now let's do some leveling. Let's control side shift with the paddle on the right joystick. To the right, blade moves right. To the left, blade moves to the left. Let's control the rotation. It's the paddle on the left joystick. If you want to turn it left, it's this way. If you want to go right, it's this way. To control the height of the blade, you use these sets of the buttons on both joysticks. The right joystick controls the right side of the blade, the left buttons control the left side of the blade. If you want to activate the automatic mode, just press the trigger once and you see the blade is automatically leveled. If you want to go back to manual mode, you press the trigger again. Start the engine, press to operate, activate the aux, standard flow only, put the boom fully down and put the wheels on the ground. They need to be all the time in contact with the ground. Then get to the grader menu, so press attachment, press grader, you can increase the RPM, press trigger to put it in automatic mode and go. The automatic mode keeps the ride level for you at all the time. You just need to control the side shift and the rotation left and right. Don't run too fast, as the system needs to react. The slower you go, more precise you will be. So guys, you see the surface is perfectly leveled. It was quick and easy. My tips for today is to use the track loader for the better traction and better ground pressure. And don't hurry, take your time. The slower you go, better result you're gonna get. Thank you for watching, leave me a comment and see you next time.